to laminate my eyebrows again. You know, I like to do this maybe once every month and a half, and it just makes all those brow products work so perfectly. If you've ever wondered why people have such an easy time putting up their brows with certain waxes, it's because they laminate. This is the kit I use. This is the only kit I use because I have tried other ones that look the same, but not by this brand, and they just don't work as good. I get it on Amazon. It is in my storefront, so definitely look in there under skincare tools. Step 1 was to clean them. 2 is the perm solution, and you want to go on really, really thick with this. You take a spoolie that comes with the kit, and you're going to go pretty heavy with the perm solution. And let them set for 4 to 6 minutes. This is how they look with the plastic wrap. Halfway through the time, I'll probably go in there and just rebrush them up. It's been 5 minutes. I'm just gonna check it really fast and see how they're doing. So pretty good. I'll give it another minute. Okay, this part's super important. Once you remove your plastic, you want to get this fork out. It has tiny, tiny little grooves on this side, and then it's flat on this side. And this is where the magic happens. You want to brush those tiny little hairs up. And you're removing the perm solution by just rubbing it or by just combing it out. It really makes such a big difference. And then I just kind of wipe out the rest. Now we're going to go in with the fixation solution, which is the next one in the kit. Cleanser, perm, fixation. We are going to apply it pretty much the same way as the perm solution, but the only difference is we're going to make sure we shape the brow afterwards. We're not just going to brush it straight up and leave it at that. We're gonna want to make sure we get the brows the way we want them to. And now I'm going to brush and shape them. About halfway through the timer, you want to make sure they're still the shape you want. If not, remove the plastic, reshape them, and then reset that plastic. The timer has stopped, so I grab a second one of these combs, these tiny little combs, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna comb it out. I've missed a few spots. Some of my hairs are just really, really stubborn, and there's not much I can do about it. I don't want to leave the perm solution or the fixation on too long. So this is going to do. Look at those. Now I'll go back in with the cleanser. We're going to clean them up. And we're not going to let them get wet for 24 hours. Just like a regular perm, you want to make sure that you don't get them wet. Your brows are going to feel a little stiff, okay? So it's really important to keep them oiled. Now you can go in and trim them up if you want. Pluck them, get them all cleaned up, and you'll have perfect brows for the next I would say about 4 to 6 weeks.